Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can create custom gems, custom projects or custom GPTs that can enhance how you do the prompting in your LLM application. So this is going to be worth it, so please keep watching this video till the end and you will definitely learn a few things. And yeah, we will be creating custom GPTs from the scratch and we'll see what things we have to take care while creating them and how they can benefit us in the long run. So here in this Perplexity application, I have opened up my dashboards. As you can see, here we have spaces. So spaces is like your projects, and these are the private projects you have. You can manage them, you can customize the information, whether it is the projects, who can access that in your team, and you have some descriptions to write. Then for the knowledge base, you can add some files, you can add some links, you can add the instructions in text format, and here you can add that. Okay, so you can add all of these three things like files, links and instructions. Add one context sidebar over here and you can easily add or fill up the information, and then you can use any model that you want, whether it is Sonar, Claude, GPT 4.1 or some reasoning models as well. And then you have some capabilities to enable, whether you want to enable web search, academics, social and finance. So it will, when you enable for example social, it will go through all the discussions and forums for fetching the opinions to drive the results and all that. And then you have option for the time to choose from for your query to drive data from, and then you have some local files some to connect with, and then you can also do some dictation for your query search. And you have, when you have the pro plan, you have enabled this option, and you will have 3x more sources with powerful models and increased limits, and you can enable the research and labs feature. So this was pretty much an overview of how Gemini spaces work. Not Gemini, but yeah, Perplexity spaces work. And but for the instructions part, pretty much of us are confused about how we can generate our instructions. So there are a few tactics or a few techniques, I would say, that you can utilize for creating custom instructions. So what I used to follow in the previously was like originality.ai. So this is an application, so you can also search for prompt generator, and here you will find this prompt generator, and here you can input what you want. For example, I want a custom GPT for chemistry, and it will generate the things, generate the prompt, system prompt information that you can utilize right away in your application. But that is not pretty much personalized, that is not pretty much good. You have to actually give all information. It is not like you have to just give it like math tutor AI, because all the other things around your main prompt are not being considered, and you don't know what are the other variables or what are the other things that you have to specify for a perfect prompt. So here you are stuck, it is not asking questions. So it is a better idea to have a discussion with the chat GPT or some LLM, so that you can reach to a point where you are able to generate the kind of instruction that you want, or that will allow you to generate some fantastic results. So for that I have created this this assistant which you can use. So you just need to go to the custom GPT builder, start the conversation, and here you can ask that I want to generate an or a chemistry GPT, or say custom chemistry expert GPT. And now to ask you, like, what is your target platform, whether it is ChatGPT, Cloud, Grok or Gemini. So I'm gonna choose ChatGPT and hit enter, and it will now in the follow-up ask you what primary roles should this chemistry expert GPT fulfill. So here you can choose or specify what roles you want, or you can simply go with all of these options. I will probably choose or go with this homework helper, Okay, now it will take my input into consideration all throughout my chat session and store it somewhere or memorize it, and at the end of all your conversation you will get the prompt, right? And then you can use that prompt and go to your Perplexity or any other LM application that allows you to have your spaces kind of functionality or projects, and then go to your instructions and specify or copy paste the instructions over there, and then you can ask the questions and it will give you the fantastic results. So compared to this, where you can only give a one prompt and you are going to generate the all instructions, I think this is better because it is asking you all the things. It is asking you more information in follow-ups and coming to a point where you are able to generate more specific, more personalized, and more authentic or genuine prompts that are gonna be crazy. So I have created a lot of system prompts using this assistant, so I would definitely recommend you to at least try it or to use it because it is free. You just need to go to the app.droidcrunch.com and create an account, and then you can go to the chat and you can start the conversation with that assistant, and you will be able to generate the system prompt in a minute, and you can copy and paste that prompt in any of the application you want, and you're gonna good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new, and it was at the end of the day very useful. So please share this video with your friends, with your colleagues who want to have custom GPTs or pretty much good or effective custom GPTs. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed and hit the bell icon for watching more videos like this.